Hi everyone, Pradeep here from TGT and welcome to another iOS update video. Today Apple released iOS 14.6 Beta 3. Both developer and public betas are available. Along with that, Apple also released iPadOS 14.6 Beta 3, watchOS 7.5 Beta 3, tvOS 14.6 Beta 3 and macOS Big Sur 11.4 Beta 3. I'll make a separate video for the macOS Big Sur 11.4 Beta 3, so do check it out later. The latest build number is 18F5065A. A at the end means we are closing in for a final release. This beta came in around 346 MB on my iPhone 12 mini. It was 275 MB on this iPad 6th Gen. Before update, the available free space was 28.93 GB. And after the update, the available free space is 29.38 GB, so a bit of space gain. There is a modem update in this version, so network and cellular connectivity should improve in case you are facing any issues. The first thing which I like to show you is a new pop-up message which I missed last time. While trying to download the update over cellular, that is over mobile data, this prompt will alert you about that. You need to continue here if you want to download an update. So download over cellular is now possible. The next thing is a new splash screen that shows up when you open the App Store for the first time after update. This is related to app privacy details. We noticed and informed you about this before. This is just a confirmation from Apple. While opening the podcast app for the first time, you will now see this new splash screen. This is about the upcoming podcast subscription that I mentioned in earlier videos. You can support your favorite podcasters and unlock ad-free listening, bonus episodes and more. Once activated, you can manage your subscription in the account section. Also, there is a new platter in the HomeKit section that was mentioned by some users, though I didn't notice that. Some internal iOS codes mention that while trying to update your Apple Watch to the next available version, if you are facing any issue, you have an option to unpair the watch and then pair it again. That should solve the update issue. If you are using AirTag and say you lose something and you want to put your AirTag into lost mode, after doing that, there is an option to add an email address. Before, there was an option to add a phone number only in this screen. Now you can add both. As this is a beta, there could be some bugs in it. About the green tint issue, which I never faced personally, should be improved with iOS 14.6 Beta 3 in case you are facing that. The Wi-Fi disconnection issue and the Bluetooth pairing issue are not there anymore. App tracking transparency is working absolutely fine. This list is getting longer day by day. But the battery life is not that good for iOS 14.6 beta so far. Battery was great on iOS 14.5, even in this mini iPhone, but the iOS 14.6 is not up to that mark yet. Sometimes it happens during betas and it improves over time till the RC version. But overall, iOS 14.6 beta 3 running nice and smooth in this iPhone 12 mini. Apart from that, Apple also released iPadOS 14.6 beta 3 and I am using it on the iPad 6th Gen. All the changes that I mentioned previously is applicable for this device also. This device is quite a bit old but still running superbly. Now if you are interested about the benchmark score, here it is for iPhone 12 mini. It is 1589 for the single core and 3983 for the multi-core, which seems to be really good. Now if you look at the history, here you can see that the scores have improved over the iOS 14.6 beta 2. And here are the scores for the iPad 6th Gen running iPadOS 14.6 beta 3. So should you update? At this point I think it is safe to say that yes, if you want, you can try iOS 14.6 beta now. Definitely update if you are on beta 2 already. iOS 14.6 public release should happen before the end of this month. I would like to know your experience as well, so do write it down in the comment section below and do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.